Hello everyone, and welcome to French Fried Trades. Today, we're going to be building this car from Ghostbusters, and we're going to be building Ecto-1A here. This is what it looks like. Now, we have built the other car, Ecto-1, in a previous video, and that's what this one looked like here. But this one is Ecto-1A, the other car from Ghostbusters 2. And it has a lot more stuff on the top here. So let's get right into the build now. So to start off, we're going to put down a block of coal for the front wheel and put a stone button on the side of it. On the other side of it, we're going to put 2 polished andesite slabs, then another block of coal with a stone button. On the front end of it, we're going to put 4 polished andesite slabs coming across. Then behind it, we're going to go 8 blocks long with polished andesite slabs. And then we'll extend that across so it's 4 wide. Then behind this, we'll put a block of coal on each side again and 2 slabs in the middle. Then 2 rows of 4 polished andesite slabs, then 4 mangrove slabs at the back. And then we'll put a stone button on this wheel and a stone button on this wheel. Then we're going to put a smooth quartz block behind each of these front wheels and an upside down smooth quartz stair above each of these front wheels. On the front of it, an upside down forward facing polished andesite stair on either side. Then behind here, bring smooth quartz down till you're just before the back wheel on each side. Then we'll put an upside down stair here and here, and 2 smooth quartz blocks on either side behind it, and 2 across the back like this. Then we're going to put a skeleton skull on either side of the back here. Then come up front and put a glow item frame on either side of the front. Then we'll come down to this rear end, and we're going to put a mangrove stair on either side like this, then an upside down stair behind each one. Come in front of it, and we're going to put 2 mangrove planks in front of the stair on each side here. In front of that on each side, we'll do a single smooth quartz block, then 2 black stained glass panes, then a smooth quartz block, then 3 black stained glass panes on either side, then come across the front right here. Then we'll do a 2x2 smooth quartz right here like that. Then we need to get deep slate brick walls and iron bars. In here we're going to put 2 walls, then 2 iron bars. Then come on the side right here, put a temporary block, and we're going to put a skeleton skull at an angle. Take out the temporary block and put a lever under it. Over here we're going to put 2 temporary blocks, and we're going to do 1 skeleton skull at an angle and 1 that's straight on. Take out the temporary blocks and a lever under the back one. Then right here we need 1 iron bar up here and take out this bottom one. Now come up on the hood of the car here, and we'll put 2 rows of white carpet in the center and do 2 layers of snow down either side of the hood here. So it looks like that, and the sides are raised up. Now we'll come on this front corner here, and we're going to put a blank birch sign right here, and same thing on the other side. Then we'll swing around on the front under the headlight. We'll put a birch sign here and do 2 sets of parentheses. Same thing on this side. Then hit both of those signs with a glowing sack. Then put 2 oak signs on this bottom middle. Then on the side right here, we're going to do an oak sign, a dark oak sign, and an oak sign. Then behind this lever, an item frame, and then we're going to alternate a dark oak sign with an oak sign, coming back until we're above this back wheel here. Then behind that, we'll do a birch sign, and we're going to type call JL5-2020 and hit that with a glow ink sac, then put a mangrove button on the block behind it. Then we'll repeat the whole process for the other side. So right here, we'll alternate between dark oak and oak signs coming back, then behind this lever, an item frame, then alternate dark oak and oak signs until you're above this back wheel. Then a birch sign, and we'll type call JL5-2020 again. And I typed it wrong there, so I had to fix it. Then we'll hit that with a glow ink sac and put a mangrove button on the block behind it. Now we'll come inside here. Up front, we're going to put a fence gate and a lever. Then behind it, we'll do 2 stairs for seats. Then come back here. We'll do a stair here and a row of sideways stairs across this. Then we're going to come in and grab some grindstones. And we'll put a row of grindstones across here. Once that's done, we need to get black stained glass. And we're going to fill this whole middle 2 across here with black stained glass and bring it back. Right till it's over this smooth quartz right here. Now we need to make some banners, so come into a loom with a white banner and red dye. Put a border on it in a diagonal, then do a new banner, and we're going to put a horizontal on the top, in the middle, and then a vertical on the left. New banner. Vertical on the right, then a horizontal on the top, in the middle. And we'll come place these. This one goes on this item frame for the logo, and then one on this side right here. Then the other 2 go on the very back in a pattern like this. Then we need to make a different banner for our headlights. So we can go ahead and clear these banners off here. And we're going to need to get a yellow banner in black dye. So come back into the loom, yellow banner, black dye, put a border on it, and a horizontal on the center. And these go on these item frames for the headlights, and then turn them so that they're sideways, like that. Then we're going to come down to the rear end of the car, and on the bottom middle back here, we're going to put 2 oak signs, just like that. Now we're going to come on top of the windshield on the front, and we're going to put 2 white carpet on the middle right here. Then behind it, starting on the left, green glass, yellow glass, green glass, yellow glass. Then we'll put a skeleton skull on either side like this. Then put 2 iron trap doors on the middle of these glass blocks. Then we'll come to this side of it behind it. On the outer edge, we're going to do 2 smooth quartz slabs, then a sandstone wall, a slab, a sandstone wall, then another slab, then an outward facing smooth quartz stair right here. Behind the stair, 2 slabs coming across here, then an outward facing stair here. On top of this, we're going to put 4 grindstones like that, because there's this big tank up there. Then in front of it on this side, we're going to take out red nether brick walls in front of the smooth quartz stair, and we're going to do a line of 5 red nether brick walls coming forward. So 5 right here, and then a smooth quartz slab right here. Then we'll come in between here and fill this top middle with nether brick fences to the front, like that. Then we're going to come to this rear end, and back here, we're going to put 2 red glass in the middle and a yellow glass on either side. Then 2 dark oak trapdoors here and 2 dark oak signs here. Then on top of each yellow glass piece, we're going to put a skeleton skull. Just like that. Now come back here, right here, put a lightning rod, then a skeleton skull on top of it. Then on next to it, turn around, put a dragon head right here. Then in front of the dragon head, a polished deep slate wall. Then we're going to need a smooth quartz stair and put a forward-facing smooth stair right here. Then in front of that, a fence gate. Then in front of this, a smooth quartz slab here and an oxidized cut copper slab here. Behind the cut copper slab, we're going to put a wither skeleton skull facing sideways down in this corner right here. Now come in front of these slabs, put an anvil on the left and a lantern on the right. Then turn around in front of that, and we're going to put a skeleton skull and a wither skeleton skull facing backwards. Then in front of this, 2 blackstone brick slabs and a warp slab on each outside edge. Now we're going to come on top of these grindstones back here, and we're going to put yellow glass, lime glass, blue glass, red glass. Then 2 iron trapdoors on the top middle. Then on the middle of the back of it here, 2 birch sides, like that. Then we're going to switch to dark oak signs on this side here. Do a blank sign here, then a sign with the word weir. Then a blank sign, then a sign with back, and then a blank sign. Then hit both of these with lime dye and a glowing sack. Then come to this other side. Start right here with a blank dark oak sign. Then we'll do a sign with ghost, another sign with bust, and another sign with ERS. Then a blank sign after it. Then hit those 3 with red dye and a glowing sack. So it looks like that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our Ghostbusters 2 Ecto-1A car. I hope everyone enjoyed this build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there.